Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to add fractions. For like and unlike fractions, we'll see how to add them. Now this is the part 8 of the fraction series. So we have already seen there are 7 parts of the fraction series and this is the 8th part of the fraction series. Now we'll see two aspects of it. So first aspect is how to add fractions with the same denominator or the like denominators. So this is for like fractions, and how to add fractions with unlike denominators or unlike fractions. But having said that, we'll see the two process step by step. But after that, we'll see another trick, which will save the steps and do the addition of fractions in a very faster way. Got it? So stick around and see the full video, watch the full video to see the trick. Okay, so let's jump into the first aspect, how to add fractions with the same denominator. Okay, so this is the like fractions. So let's take an example and see what we need to do. So we have two fractions and we need to add them. Okay, so whenever you get a fraction, check out the denominators, whether they are same or different. So here the denominators are the same. It means both the fractions are like fractions. So for this, the rules or the steps are very simple. Add the numerators and keep the denominators same because it has 7 and both the denominators same. So give this division sign. In the denominator write 7. In the numerator just add the respective numerators. 2 plus 3. That becomes 5 plus 7. Got it? And obviously at the end of the addition, check out the end result and see if it can be simplified. If the simplification is required, just simplify it. For example, let's see another example. So for example, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So both the fractions are like fractions as their denominators are same. Now we'll just add the numerator and keep the denominator same as 4. Now end result is 4 by 4. Now see, it can be simplified. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. The end result is 1. So at the end of the result, see what the fraction remains. If it can be simplified, simplify it. Got it? So let's move to the second aspect of addition of fraction, how to add fractions with unlike denominators. So if the denominators are not same, so we have seen that in unlike fractions, right? So whenever we see an unlike fractions, what we did, we have converted them into like fractions. So whenever you start adding a fractions with unlike denominators, the first step would be to convert them into like fractions. So convert them into common denominators to say. Got it? So let's see. Let's take one example and let's see what we need to do step by step. Okay, so we'll take 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Got it? So these are two fractions and you can see that denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. So what you need to do, you need to, before addition, you need to find out the LCM first. Why? Because you need to convert these fractions into like fractions. So LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Got it? So 2 by 3, you need to multiply both the numerator and denominator in such a way so that the denominators become 15. So 5. So it becomes the LCM 10 by 15. You need to convert this as well. So 1 by 5. So if you multiply 3, then it becomes the LCM. So you need to multiply the numerator as well by 3. So it becomes 3 by 15. Now once you have converted, just add them up. So add them up. 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 13 by 15. Got it? So this one will be the answer. Always check the end result. If it can be simplified, simplify it. So it cannot be simplified, so we'll keep the end result as 13 by 15. Also check it out now whether the end result is an improper fraction or a proper fraction. So this is a proper fraction because the denominator is greater than numerator. So it's a proper fraction. If you get an improper fractions, what do you need to do? So let's check it out as well. So let's take one example. So 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, right? So what you need to do? First of all, find out the LCM of 4 and 3. So LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now see, in order to save these steps, you can do one thing. So let's see what you can do to save this and this step. So straight away go ahead and write 12 in the denominator, right? So written it. Now see, in order to make 4 as denominator, you need to multiply 4 by 3. See here in this case, so you need to convert this into like fractions. So we'll not convert them separately, we'll convert them here only, right? So we'll save this step and this step in one step. See, so 4 into 3 is 12, so we'll multiply 3 into 3. Understood, student? Now for this 2 by 3, we need to convert this 3 into 12, so we need to multiply this by 4. So here this by 4, so 2 into 4. Got the concept? So the two steps has been saved in a single step. So this is 9, 4 2s is 8, it's 12. So this is 17 by 12. Now this is an improper fraction, right? This is an improper fraction. So this is an improper fraction, right? So I told you, check it out whether this can be simplified or an improper fraction. So it cannot be simplified, but it is an improper fraction. Convert this into a mixed fraction. Okay, convert this into a mixed fraction. So if you divide 17 by 12, so 1 will be the quotient and 5 will be the remainder. Check it out, student, in your copy. Got it? So 1, 5 by 12. So 12 ones are 12 plus 5 is 17. So 17 by 12. So convert them into mixed fraction if you get an improper fraction. Got it? I hope you have followed this simple logic of addition of fraction with the same denominators and unlike denominators. Means when you are adding two like fractions or more than two like fractions, what you need to do, you understood. How to add unlike fractions, you've understood. Okay, the longer process and little bit shortcut. Now let's come to a trick which will reduce the steps further. Okay, so this is known as trick on addition of fraction. This is known as butterfly trick. So let's take one example and let's see what butterfly trick means. So we'll take one example, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now see, what are these? These are improper fractions. Got it? Because unlike denominators, so denominators are not same. So let's do it fast. See here. Got it? Multiply. Again this one. Multiply. Looks like a butterfly, isn't it? And so this into this plus this into this, right, will go into the numerator, and in the denominator we'll multiply this one and this one. Got it? Again I'll repeat. See, this one will multiply plus will multiply this one. Got it? So the result will be, so let's write it down. So 2 into 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 1, and in the denominator 3 into 5. So the end result will be 5 into 2 is 10 plus 3, and this is 15. So that this will be 13 by 15. So this is an easier trick to remember, student. So please remember, this is a butterfly trick. So if you need to save those steps, you can do the addition in this way also. Okay. So we'll end our lecture here, students. In the next lecture, we'll see how to add mixed fractions. Got it? How to add mixed fractions. Thanks students. Thanks for watching. We'll meet soon. Bye bye.